How to get Kreditbee processing fee promo code. And here all you have to do first is just use up or open up any preferred web browser that you want to use. But on this video, I'm going to be using my Google Chrome. Now in your Google Chrome, just go to your search bar and just type in desidame.com or desidime.com. This website is providing us multiple discounts on any platforms that we need. So since we are only getting the credit B's processing fee, then all you have to do is go to the Decidime's search bar and look for credit B. Now once you hit on enter, you will only be given two options of promo codes that you can use from Kreditbee. So say for example, you would like to have 100% off on processing fee coupon code. Now for you to be able to have the code, just simply click on get deal and you will be given out the promotional code characters for this specific offer. So that's it. That's how you get Kreditbee promo code for processing fee.